G'day everyone. We're here with Liam, the winner of Gavin's cheesemaking kit giveaway. So we're going to do a bit of an unboxing. Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Say thank you, Gav.
Thank you, Gavin.
Thank you, Gav. Okay, so this is a really good kit. It's better than anything I've got.
Yeah.
So I might do a comparison to some of the Mad Millie stuff while we're at it. But here we go. I'll just get it. There we go. The winner of our Gavin's cheesemaking giveaway. Arm yourself with that and open her up.
Just from the center? Or?
Yeah. Hello, Ruth. You like cheese? Okay, so start popping the stuff out. We'll have a look and we'll talk about what's in there. Ah, yeah, that's one of those. I think that's just a little net to go over the cheese while you're letting it dry.
Oh, okay.
So looks like he's thought of everything.
Wow.
Now, this is the really important stuff.
Oh, wow.
So in there we've got, what have we got there? Ah, that's your cheese follower.
Oh, wow.
I'll show you. We'll put that together briefly. And that's the cheese basket for pressing.
And the pipettes.
Yeah, for measuring out your calcium chloride and other things.
Yeah.
That's to store your various bits, which I've got over here.
Oh, nice letter. Dear Liam, may this kit serve you well in your cheese making endeavors. Enjoy in yours in cheese, Gavin.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gavin. Little cards.
Yeah.
A cheesecloth.
Loose weave.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's kind of really necessary.
Yeah. I'm gathering that's for like the juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you'll put the cheesecloth in your cheese press.
Yeah.
Right. Then you'll put the follower on top, wherever that's gone. Oh, there we are. Right. And then you've got the full press sitting down here, which is a really good one.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow.
It's much better than mine. Mine's a small Mad Millie kit that I bought for... Can you remember how much that Mad Millie cheesemaking kit was? 190 or something? Yeah.
Wow.
So the cheese press in mine isn't great, but it works.
That looks so cool.
Yeah.
And that like...
Yeah, you wind this down. There we go. You wind this down. You put the spring between this and your cheese follower.
Yeah.
And that is a 22 kilo spring. So normally you do either 10 or 11 kilos to start with.
Yeah.
So you sort of half compress it and then you fully compress it, depending on the cheese. But
okay.
Gavin also gave you those PDFs.
Yeah.
So
I got them.
Gavin included the PDFs, which I snuck a look at, even though I'm not entitled to, and thought this is really worth having a read of. So I bought them. Really good value. I can't remember exactly how much it was, about $40, $50 or something for the two of them. But yeah, Gav, good books.
Yeah. And then we've got...
the magic cheese knife.
Oh, okay.
And a curd spoon.
Yeah.
These are really important.
Awesome.
They also look better than mine. Gee, yeah, it is. It's much nicer than my cheese knife.
Oh, yeah, and we've got measuring spoons.
I love the measurements on these.
Wow.
Have a look what it actually says.
Drop.
A tad. A pinch.
Oh, what?
So this is one of the things you'll actually struggle with is when you cut your curd, trying to get it in consistent size chunks, but then the curd's this deep.
Yeah.
So you've got to cut it that way.
Yeah, okay.
If you're good at woodworking or even mediocre woodworking, show you my cheese harp that my friend Naz made me.
Oh, okay.
How about it? Oh, you've got your temperature.
Oh, yeah. Temperature thermometer.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And that's really important to keep your temperature right.
Yeah. So does that like tell you like the boiling point and stuff?
Yeah, because you don't normally boil it. Bring it up around 30 to 35 degrees.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then you let it sit at that temperature and then you heat it more and heat it less, depending on what sort of cheese you're making.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you've got to keep a close eye, and I'd actually recommend go on Amazon,
Yeah.
get yourself one of those $10 digital ones,
Okay. Yeah.
and that's handy. Use that to keep an eye on it generally, and then you check with the digital for the more accurate one.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, some of the stuff I actually had to take out because you've got to keep it in the fridge and freezer. Where'd I put it? There we go. Store in refrigerator.
Oh wow.
You'll need a knife to open that. It's a breezy day. What was it yesterday? 38 degrees or something?
It's a nice
38,
relief.
38 yesterday, sunny and hot and dry. Today it's cloudy, about 21, 22 degrees and blowing a gale.
Thank
Weird.
you.
Okay, so you should have in there
Calcium chloride
Yep.
and
rennet. Rennet?
yeah, rennet.
Yep, there we go. Perfect. Calcium chloride adds a little bit of soluble calcium in the curd.
Yep.
And the rennet, of course, is what sets it.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Yeah, so be careful. Make sure when you're getting this, you'll see it says single strength or double strength or something. Number 1175. No, we'll have to check that online probably. But you can get different strengths.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
So just check that. Make sure you're not over renneting because that can make your cheese taste bad. All right. This one we've got to keep in the freezer. So we'll pop that back in the freezer once you've opened it.
Yeah.
You got the knife or I got the knife? Doesn't need a knife.
It's like unraveling a birthday gift.
Yeah, it's a Christmas gift, just somewhat late.
Yeah.
This is the good stuff.
Oh. Thermomic hard curd cheese culture.
Yeah.
And English and American style strong
Mesophilic.
cheese culture. Wow.
So that's what actually really makes your cheese unique, what sort of cultures you use.
Yeah.
And with this one, which one have you got there? This is the, you'll see that? MA 4001. I wish I had some of that. I needed it for the Gouda. Or was it the Gloucester? Well, I need it for one of them. So that's, when you see it, you'll see that it's in the recipe book.
Yeah.
He's got MA 030 that he uses a lot. So that's probably a fairly general purpose one.
Yeah.
And the thermophilic, I think I might have got some actually. Mozzarella, Parmesan, those sort of things.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes you use a couple of different ones, but it's
Yeah.
all in those books.
Oh, okay.
So we might pop that back in the freezer for you anyway.
Yeah.
Keep
And
it in
this
good
one
nick.
in the fridge.
They'll be fine for today.
Okay. Yeah.
If it was yesterday, I'd say
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
All right. I'll pop these back in the freezer. Let's grab a little bit of cheese out. You can taste what this stuff comes out like.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'll also grab my my cheese press, and you can see the difference.
Yeah.
Back in a sec. So I've just gone and grabbed the Mad Millie one, and you can see the difference. Number one is if you look at that compared to yours, yours is much bigger.
More area.
Yeah. The advantage of this one is it's got a scale on here, which is a bit hard to see.
Oh, okay.
Right. So you can actually adjust it for the right pressure.
Yeah.
I think you can buy these for $100 if you really wanted one, but that is a much more professional, better setup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right. So, right there, stay. And we're going to try this. This is a Kafili.
Wow.
Oh, this is something you might want to do. Since you don't have the wax, have you got a vacuum sealer?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Excellent. So vacuum seal
Okay.
instead. It's not quite as nice as waxing.
Yeah.
But it does the trick.
I'm sure, like, would beeswax be all right, or
No.
no, just normal wax? Or...
Yeah. All right, so it's got a little bit of mold on it, but that's okay. It's only on the outside. Never worry too much about this sort of cheese going a little bit moldy.
Yeah.
You want some, don't you? There we are.
Thank you.
This is a kind of salty cheese. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheese?
Cheers.
All right, and as Gav would say, let's try this, curd nerds. You want some? Do you want some?
It's an interesting texture.
It's sort of a dry cheese.
Yeah. I
But
like it.
Yeah, I like the saltiness of it.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Very tasty.
it's a Philly.
Mm.
So as you've got a vacuum packer, you're okay.
Yep.
Give your folks a taste as well. Do you think they like it?
Yeah, I reckon that.
This is very different to the other cheeses we've done as well.
Yeah.
It all seems like it's the same recipe, but in actual fact, they taste really, really different. Liam's dad, come and try some homemade Philly cheese. It's a salty one. Recommendation: do the Wensleydale first because that's really nice.
Okay.
Yeah, and the recipe from Gav's book. It's a bit time consuming, lots of stirring and stuff, but the cheese is definitely the best one we've had. Chance?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
It goes best in like toasted sandwiches.
Oh yeah,
Oh, okay.
melts beautifully. Really,
Yeah.
really well. Okay.
Awesome.
Hope you're happy with that.
No, I really am, and I'm really grateful to Gav, and thank you. It means so much to my family and me, and all the other families out there. And you're doing such a beautiful thing for the world, and
Dog is barking a lot.
we're
Shush.
so grateful. So yeah, thank you.
All right. That's it. Really good cheese kit. If you want to get started in cheese making, give Gav a call. Really set this up nicely for Liam. Thanks, Gav. Enjoy life.
Yeah.
Catch you in the garden. You too, Ruth. You can have some more.